wait, auntie. Hey, you wait, auntie. Yan. Ito nilalakad namin pag pupunta kami sa playground. Where we go? Where we go? At the... Yan, hagdan. Pataas. Tapos may hagdan pa dun. Yan. Police, I don't know. I don't know why. You know why?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Maybe they see a bad boy.
Maybe. Come on now, hold my hand.
What they doing?
Where? Oh, they're cleaning the street. Let's go.
I'm fast.
You're fast. Don't rush. It's okay. We just...
Auntie.
Oh,
Auntie.
why?
Now let's do a train.
Train. Okay, I hold it your back. Doot doot. Doot doot. Oh, the train's tired.
The train broke down.
Broke down. Come on now. Shadow. 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 Come on. Hey.
I walk after Auntie.
Mind your step. Wait. You wait me, I told you. Ugh. So tired.
Me and you were so tired.
Yeah. Come on, hold my hand. Hold my hand now. Let's go now, Olivia.
I don't think Cassie was there.
Yes, I told you. But it's okay. No playmate then we got the turtle and
No, it's
to
not
the fish.
that.
What?
Auntie,
Yeah.
can play with me.
Of course. We play together.
Auntie, that's a boring playground.
Yeah. Why you say it's boring playground?
That playground so small.
Yes. Few what? It's
Playground.
only few what? It's only swing and what?
Slide.
Slide, yeah.
Auntie, that's a boring playground.
Boring playground. That's the boring playground. I don't know.
Let's go up the stairs easy.